Supreme week 1, spring summer 21. More pickups came in, so let's take a look. One came in a box, so let's see if we can get some good stickers. Had no good luck, so hopefully this one will be good. Got the free gift of the season. Free gift. Alright, let's take a look at what we got here. Oh, finessed again. Only regular 2-box logo stickers. No special stickers. Again. Finessed. So this one is the water bottle. Nicely wrapped. Again, I'm disappointed. No special stickers. Probably have to go to the resale market to pick it up, which I'm mad. But here it is. This is the water bottle, the glass, the Zoku glass core in black. That's Supreme. Right over here. Zoku glass. Got in the black colorway. Next up is a fine whale corduroy S logo 6-panel. This is the navy colorway with the white S on there. Corduroy Supreme on the back. Yeah. Last but not least is the DNJ. This is the Boroughs tee. Medium, black. With the Supreme classic logo. You can tell it's not even, it's like slanted. Like quality control not good. It's not even straight. It's like slanted, but it has all the Queens, Manhattan, Staten Island, Brooklyn, and Bronx. Just all the New York. But yeah, quick pickup. Let me know what you guys think. No good stickers. Getting finessed day by day by Supreme. Yeah, subscribe. Got more videos coming in. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.